Hi, welcome back to everyone. In this problem, this is a problem on the resistor circuit. So having two sources. So one is voltage source, that is 40 volts, and current source is given as 15 milliamperes. So one resistor is 2 kilo ohms here, and is 500 ohms here. So according to the problem, in 2 kilo ohms there is a current I1 was passing. That was entering into the 500 ohms. Now how can you find that current I1 for the given problem? So in the 500 ohms, two currents are entering. One is I1, another is 15 milliamperes. So in this, the current is I1 plus 15 milliamperes. So this is the current in 500 ohms. Now how can you find the current I1 here? So for this problem, apply KVL. You can easily get the current I1 value. So let's see here. So let's assume that here there is a voltage drop V1. In this V2 voltage drop, this is the source voltage. So according to KVL, we know that source voltage equal to sum of voltage drops. So that is Vs equal to V1 plus V2 in this loop. Source voltage is 45 volts. So 45 equal to, and V1 is, this is, what is V1? According to Ohm's law, we know that IR. So in this current is, I means I1 and R is 2 kilo ohms. So this is V1. So that is, current is I1 and resistance is 2 kilo ohms. Plus, next similarly, what is the voltage drop? In 5 ohms, that is V2. According to Ohm's law, we know that current is I into R. In this 5 ohms, the current is, this is I1 plus 15 milliamperes and resistance is 5 ohms. Now substitute here, it becomes I1 plus 15 milliamperes. So this is the current into resistance, that is 500 ohms. So this is V1 and this is V2. So what is 45? So from this we'll get 45 equal to 2k I1 plus 5 into I1, expand it, plus 15 5 are 75. 7500 milli. Milli means 10 power minus 3. So 2k I1 plus 500 I1, nothing but 2.5k I1 plus 7500 milli. Milli means 10 minus 3. Here 45 is there. So bring this term to the left hand side. It becomes 2.5k I1, thus equal to 45 minus 7500 milli. And bring this term to the right hand side. So it becomes I1 equal to 45 minus 7500 into milli means 10 power minus 3 upon 2.5k. That is 2.5 into k means kilo. That is 10 cube. Now use calculator and we will get this ratio value, that is I1 equal to 15 milliamperes. So this is the current was passing through 2 kilo ohms and this is the required value for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks for more videos.